Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to show you the brand new Lemfo LEM11. This watch that we told you before, now it's in our hands. Previously we showed you the LEM10. Now it's time for the new one, LEM11. This one comes in two variations of specification. The first one is 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of RAM, and the second one is 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of RAM. It has 4G support, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and screen with 1.54 inch color screen. It has 2 megapixel camera and a 600 mAh battery. This battery is it will stand on in standby time about 14 hours, play music 6 hours, and call time 3 hours. The LEM11 operates with Android 7.1.1 and it has different options as we see in the LEM11 and other Lemfo gadgets. So starting with settings, browser, downloaded, calendar, clock, camera, gallery, music, record, heart rate, sport mode, and different other stuff that we can see in the future of this video. So let's begin with unboxing and see what we got more from Lemfo 11. So here we have now the box of the LEM11. As you can see here, we have one of the pictures that Lemfo decided to put in the front of the package. Behind we have all the details. We have here the CPU number, the 4G, the memory, power bank, video, chat, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, weather, heart rate, search device, capture, music, GPS, pedometer, and voice search. We have here the QR code of the Lemfo. So in the box we don't have anything else to see. That's pretty simple. We are going to set this up right here and begin here with unboxing. As you can see the package, we have the operation guide. Here's the operation guideline, as you can see, in English and Chinese. We have here another guide for 4 different languages, and here is the box. In case you don't know, the LEM11, as you can see in the picture, it comes with the speaker. Here is the watch, charger, and the straps. Let's begin with the watch itself. It's a bit hard to get out of the box. As you can see the camera down below, we have the power on and off button, SIM card slot, we have the speaker right here, and the sensors. Next we have the bands. These bands are actually really good. As you can see, they are made from really good material, very good flexibilities. And as you can see here, this is not plastic, this is metal, which makes Lemfo really a good producer. Underneath we have a screwdriver and 2 other screws if in case we lose any of them. So this screwdriver will get it handy when we put our SIM card. Actually, there are some screws in the place where we put our SIM card. So keep this close to you because you will need it. We have the charger here, charging cable. As you can see, this charging cable is actually really long. Some of the manufacturing companies are making too short cables, and that's bad. So Lemfo decided to step up the game. And the last one here in the box is the speaker. So this is the speaker that's always everybody is talking about. We have here the connection point with the watch, the button to turn on the watch, charging port, and two little plastic to stand right like this. So as you can see, everyone is talking about the new LEM11 speaker. We will demonstrate and show you how the speaker works. Does it really work? Is it that good as people say? We will see that all. So let's put the speaker also here and start with the watch. So as you can see, this watch comes in different pieces. Lemfo decided to make the watch usable for different situation. Put a speaker in the box, and now we can use our smartwatch as a speaker also. And what does this, you may ask, what does this piece really needs? So this is the piece where the bands are connected. We put our bands right here. Also, Lemfo has put a magnet right here, so we don't lose any of our stuff. Actually, Lemfo 11 is pretty useful. So let's go ahead and put these bands real quick. And just like that, you hear the little quick click, and you know that the band is in his place. Let's power it on. As you can see, now the Lemfo is turned on, ready to be used. In the left we have the notifications, down we have the sport here the sport section. As you can see, we have steps, kilometers, and burned calories. Up we have the taskbar, so you can see the time, date, percentage of battery. We have the SIM card logo and the Bluetooth. Here we have some shortcuts. As you can see, we have brightness, do not disturb, airplane mode, mobile data, location, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cleaner, music control, and the weather in the end. Other Lemfos that we did before had the same software, but the LEM10 has a newer version So it seems like a new theme, but with the same options. Here we have the menu. In the menu we have contacts, phone, messages, settings, browser, download, calendar, alarm clock, camera, gallery, music, sound record, file manager, heart rate, motion, fitness, weather, voice search, Play Store, map, assistant, app store, YouTube, and system optimization. So we saw all of these options. Let's go ahead, test some of them and see how they work. So now that we have the LEM11 in my hands, we now know how it looks, how it sits. It's a bit taller, but for some people that doesn't bother. For me it's a bit big, but it works really good, and that's actually what matters. So as I said before, the LEM11 could snap out of his plastic. You can just pull it a bit harder and the magnet will let go. As you can see, we have here like a lip that goes right here for more protection. So the sensors go right here and measure my heart rate and other things like sport mode. In sport, all the measurement will be from the sensor. To put it back, you need first to go with the bottom for that lip to click, and then the magnet will do the rest of his job. Now that the LEM11 is in his place, let's go to the settings. From the top, we'll go here in the heart rate first, and let's measure my heart rate. As you can see, in case you don't know, the result of the heart rate will be saved with time and seconds, with minutes and seconds, and the next time we will measure my heart rate or heart rate, you can see the last heart rate and the current heart rate that you have. Let's go to the fitness. Here in fitness we have outdoor run, outdoor walk, indoor run, ride bike, basketball, football, ping pong, badminton, rope skipping. We have all these sports. Let's go with outdoor run first. Press go, and as you can see, immediately the seconds will go. We have the kilometers, blood pressure, and burn calories here. Down we have the kilometers per hour and the hour per kilometers in general. So let's stop this. So we know that the fitness works really good. We have the map as we show you always. Let's just skip this. we have the map, as you can see, right here. After you put your location, you'll be able to see yourself. Let's go ahead to the YouTube, test the speaker of the LEM10, and then we'll see how the big speaker will work. Let's take this off so we are able to use it easily. Let's go to YouTube. As you can see, it's a bit tough to type in this keyboard, but it's possible. Let's play one song with the speaker of LEM10 and then try the big speaker. As you can see, this becomes like a small phone, one of the Nokias that we used to use back in the days. And now, as you can see, we can just use it as a speaker. We definitely can notice the difference between the speaker of the watch and the big speaker, and we know that the big speaker has a bigger voice. So in the next video we will show you how to connect the LEM11 with your smartphone, Android and iOS. If you have any questions, suggestions for this video, feel free to comment down below and we will try to help you. This was all in today's video for Lemfo LEM11. Thank you for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next one.